Hi guys, it's Ray. Today I'm going to do a Butterfly Lane subscription box unboxing. Um, First, I would just want to say real quick, you can hear it, I'm sick. You can see it, I'm sick. I have been sick for 2 weeks now, a little over 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I don't even know anymore. And this is the third time in December I've been sick, so that's just awesome. Trying to keep it all together and getting ready for Christmas and getting through Christmas was a challenge. I am putting a video up on my other channel today as well, showing a little bit of what we've been doing around the house in between being sick, and December's just been a super challenging month, and I'm not going to get into all of that here, but my other channel will have the what I got for Christmas quick run through and just a quick snippet of what we're doing at the house. So that said, I did get my Butterfly Lane subscription box this month, and I want to say that, first of all, Jessica, I am so sorry. I have not gotten to any of the other box. I really don't deserve you. I don't deserve to be getting these. I don't feel like I'm carrying my weight at all right now. I need to find what of the epoxies I have left in-house will work for tumblers, because I am completely out of epoxy that I know works. I did have a couple cups I had to get done in December. They challenged me. Let's just say I didn't record any of them for various reasons. I couldn't. So I did do a little bit of cup making in December, but not much. I just have not had the time, the energy, the patience, I've gotten the bare minimum of what I had to do done to survive the month. So Jessica, thank you so much. I very much appreciate you. Everybody, Butterfly Lane Designs, for all of your vinyl wraps, UV DTFs. Please, please, please go support her small business. So this is the box, and throughout November and December, Jessica was doing extra goodies and giveaways, and I did not expect a second extra box from her. Jessica, I really don't deserve you. So we're going to crack into this one and see what it is. These have actually been here for days, and I just have not had a chance. Okay, so I have a card and a wrapped package. So let's open the card first. Oh. Things are falling out. UV DTFs are falling out. So a card with a little note in it from Jess. And I'll have to look and make sure I didn't drop anything else. But I love this one. I won't read it out loud. Nope, not today. I love this. Love the colors. And everything sucks. But yes, that pretty much sums up December. December was a good month, but a bad month at the same time. I don't even know how to explain. So, let's open my gift. Jessica, thank you so much. You did not have to do this at all. I very much appreciate it, though. And this is going to be a tumbler. I'm assuming 40 ounce with a handle. Oh, this is nice. This one's really nice. Pop up. This may have to become my new work cup. Non-skid bottom. This may go to work with me tonight. Thank you so much. maybe I'll put one of the DTFs on this. Either one of the new ones or one of the ones I already have. Because I don't want to epoxy it. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you more than you will ever know. And now I need to find my cutter again. So let's get into the sub box. The new sub box should be available sometime this week, I would imagine, if it's not already. But I will put the link to the Facebook group down below. Make sure you join the Facebook group so you'll know when the sub boxes drop and any other sales and important information. I do try to put them in my community feed, but the algorithm doesn't always show the community posts, so it makes it a little bit more difficult. So here we go. This would be the December sub box, the last one for 2024. These are a great value, and Jessica always does a fabulous job curating them, so I highly recommend you look into them. This says, tomorrow isn't promised, be petty today. Oh my god, I love that. That's so funny. Maybe I'll put that on that tumbler. Not really a fan of red though, so maybe not. I absolutely love this though. I am very much a sun, moon, stars. Oh, there's more in the back there. Let me get these ones out. This one says, inhale peace, exhale chaos, with a really cute mushroom. I love it. And this one says it's just a phase. So we've got a bundle of decals that we'll get into after we flip through the vinyls. This has that kind of peachy check that is so on trend right now in the background. Hopefully you can see that. It's kind of subtle, but this is like everywhere right now, checks. Very, very on points. Oh, and we have a holographic. It's just a phase vinyl. Oh. And this, which goes with the mushrooms. I absolutely love this. This is gorgeous. And another coordinating with that. Florals. And this one's cute. So this has something else that is super on trend with the bows and the books. And butterflies. Bows are super on trend right now too. And just a really super fun, vibrant daisy print. Oh, and this is cute with the strawberries. Also very on trend. Strawberries and butterflies. And last for our vinyls, we have another daisy print that kind of coordinates with that first one. Similar color vibe, but without the checks in the background. So let's get into the regular decals. This is a fun box already. This one says Rebel Soul with the checks and the daisies to match. I love that. And then we have emotionally attached to fictional characters. Absolutely. If you're a reader, you know. And So Very Sweet to go with the strawberry prints. Or the daisies. And also to go there, we have So Berry Sassy. And then we have this version of this same saying, tomorrow isn't promised, be petty today. So, love that. Absolutely love it for us. I do love this, but I do kind of want to use the DTFs on this tumbler for me. So, this may get put with something else or just done as a wrap on its own, because technically this could be a great standalone, because it's already got the writing on it too. So I think maybe we will pop over and we will just do a quick lesson on DTF application, because I do think this is going to be my new work cup. I drink a lot at work. I bring a cup every night with ice and have my first drink of the night with that, and typically I end up refilling my ice during the night. So this is actually perfect. Non-skid base, it won't slide around on my cart at work, so kind of perfect actually. And being a moon girly, this is like perfect for me. So Jessica, again, thank you so much. I definitely don't deserve you, but I do appreciate you more than you will ever know. I hope everybody had a wonderful holiday season. I'm sure many of us are just relieved it is finally over. And I do have a lot of like getting my house back together and one more big house project to do. But I'm going to figure out what of the epoxy I have in the house is good for tumblers, because I don't have any of the turbo left. Projects for my son completely wiped me out of that. So yeah, that's where I'm at. I'm still here. I'm still alive. I'm sorry I've been kind of missing in action. But I will definitely be back in January. I'm going to kind of, my schedule may shift around a little bit. I want to start utilizing the other channel again, and start doing some of the other projects I would like to do or had planned to do. So I'm going to get my calendar made up. I may go buy like 2 pocket-sized calendars instead of like charting out my own every month. I had them in my hand the other day and I didn't really like the patterns on them, which was a stupid reason not to get them, just to better hold myself accountable. And I definitely do better when I'm planning and staying on top of things. So that is it. Links will be in the website or in the description box below. Butterfly Lane Designs. Jessica, she's a one-woman show. Definitely check it out. If you ever need anything, just pop on the Facebook group and ask if she has, because if she doesn't have, she will find it for you. There's nothing she doesn't have. So that is it, and I will see you next time, which will probably be us putting this together real quick. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and thank you, Jessica. I appreciate you so much.